Hi, there are a few ways to get hashtag suggestions for videos. So if you go to a full video page in YouTube and you try right-clicking once, try again, you'll see Get Hashtag Suggestions and RiteTag gives you no suggestions found. The better thing to do is from a video playlist where you have the small icons. Here, right-click on the video cover image, get hashtag suggestions, and you've got what you need. You can remove any from the list you have and then copy all and use them wherever. Another thing you can do is highlight the text of the video title, right-click, get hashtag suggestions, and again you get some really good suggestions. Remove any you don't need and copy them with the copy button. Finally, another thing you can do is look at the description and find an operative block of text, right-click, get hashtag suggestions, and then we look at all the text and give you relevant suggestions. So there's 3 ways to do it. Remember, rather than getting hashtags for the image from the full video page, start with a video playlist and the icons. Right-click on one of those cover images.